My name is Maria Gilberry. This presentation is on 6 steps to a website, from concept to completion with a focus on domains and hosting. First step is to develop your website's purpose. What is your ultimate goal? A good website encourages a stranger to come to visit, increasing your traffic and resulting in that stranger becoming a regular customer. A good business website will show your customers that you can meet their needs while increasing your market share and your return on investment, also boosting your business's image. A personal website is different from a business website in that its goal is to provide information important to you for others to see. It might be foodie related, pet related, or what happened at this year's family vacation. Step number 2 is to determine your core concept. Before we can build a website, we need to know what it is that we want to convey, and that's based on our customer, our service, and our market. It's a good idea to find an image that reflects your company's purpose. This can be used later on when you're laying out your website. To solidify your concept, it's a good idea to know your content. Is it text, videos, or a combination of both? And know your keywords for search engine optimization. Step 3 is the domain. Why do we need a domain name? What is the name? And who is going to register it? Every computer, server, or website has a unique Internet Protocol address, and with the hundreds, if not thousands, of computers dealt with daily, it would be nearly impossible for a human to memorize every single numerical address. This is why the domain name system was developed, which allows a series of servers to talk to each other to link that IP address to the common domain name. The process starts with the computer looking internally to see if it already knows the link between the IP address and the common domain name used. If not, your computer works with the resolving name servers to gather information from the root server on the top-level domains. Then the resolving name server communicates directly with the top-level domain to be able to locate which authoritative name server to communicate with. Then the resolving name servers communicate with the authoritative name servers, which provide the direct link between the IP address and the domain name. For this process to work, you must have a registered domain name. A clear and descriptive domain name is very important, as it will separate you from the 50 million other websites and drive your customers directly to your virtual location. When developing a domain name, make sure that it is easy to say and remember, intuitive, short, and that you acquire the top-level domain of .com. There are numerous quality and popular registrars, such as GoDaddy, Bluehost, DreamHost, and Network Solutions, to name a few. After registering your domain name, the next step is to determine who is going to host your website. A web hosting company has numerous servers, which allows individuals and businesses to store their websites in safe and secure locations that allow increased traffic and access at any time. When selecting your host, some of the criteria you want to review is the speed, the cost, support provided, as well as are there any additional services. Just like domain name registrars, there are numerous website hosts, such as SiteGround, iPage, InMotion, HostWinds, and Liquid Web, to name a few. There are some services that provide everything under one roof: domain registration, hosting, security, search engine optimization, and even website development. Step 5 is the construction of your website. 3 ways to develop your website include starting from scratch, using existing templates, or hiring somebody to develop your website for you. After your website is developed, you'll need to upload it to the server using an FTP client such as Coffee Cup, FileZilla, or CuteFTP, which are 3 of many FTP clients. And last but not least is promoting yourself. How do you let the world know that your website exists? There are over 50 million websites, of which the top 20 get 90% of the traffic. To improve your chance of receiving this traffic, your virtual location, keywords, and relevance are critical. Search engine optimization is an important process that greatly improves your visibility and chances of being found. Now your website is designed, online, and optimized. Have fun!